Well, this is where the magic happens in this assignment. I'm going to go back up to Image Mode. Last time we basically threw away all the color, went to grayscale. This time we're going to go to Indexed Color. So I'm going to click on Index Color. Don't really notice a whole lot happening here, but now we have a whole new window that we can go to. I'm going to go to Image Mode. I'm going to slide down to Color Table. And on Color Table, I'm going to select this thing called Black Body. Now I'll tell it OK. And if you look at your text, it looks like we have basically torched your name. Your name is on fire. And like I said, we've got a little extra stuff going on at the bottom of my particular one. And I'm going to try to fix that. I may regret this, but I'm going to well, the first thing I have to do is I'm going to move this from being index color to RGB, and you'll need to do that. I mean, even if you don't have anything to fix, you're going to have to change the mode back to RGB, or it will never work when we try to add this to your next photo. Down here on our layers panel, I'm going to click create a brand new layer, and we can see that we have a blank layer up on top. And I'm using my marquee tool. I didn't select it because it was already selected. And I just kind of made sure that I captured all the area where my unwanted flame is, and I'll use the paint bucket. And if you don't see the paint bucket, it's probably because the gradient tool is on top. I'm going to click inside where that text is that I don't want, the flame I don't want. Command D will get rid of my marching ants. And now I have all my text exactly the way I want it for this particular assignment. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go to Save As. I'm going to call this Name Flame. And I want to make sure that this is saved to our file locker. So make sure that you set this up to go to your file locker. Tell it to save. Photoshop options, absolutely. I want as much of the options as that I can have. And I have finished this part of the assignment, but we got a lot more to do with our first Photoshop assignment.